my everyday makeup routine for 2018. I have had such lighting issues this morning. I swear if the light changes a lot, I'm so sorry. So I don't wear this look every single day. When I have something to go to, an event, going out to lunch with friends, pretty much just getting ready to do something, this is the look that I typically wear. But this is what I like to do if I get fully ready. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button right here or down below. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I post a lot on both of those. Without further ado, let's just get right on into the video.
What's up, guys? So I'm starting off with the Tartelette Toasted palette, and I'm doing my eyes first so that I can prevent fallout, but I'm using the shade Latte as my transition color, then deepening up the crease with the shade Cozy. Next, I'm going in with the shade Simmer and putting that all over the base of my lid. Now, this shade is so beautiful and I love the way that it looks because it's all shimmery. And then I am going in with this deep purple color called Fireside to deepen up the outer corner. Then I'm using the transition shade again to blend everything together. Next, I am using my Marc Jacobs liquid eyeliner to line my eyes. This stuff is seriously amazing and stays on all day. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and priming my eyelashes. I love wearing falsies, so I always put my Ardell Wispies on. You can find these at Ulta or Walgreens, pretty much anywhere. Then I am using my Cover FX mattifying primer. This prevents breakouts, and I'm going over the top of that with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I'm just showing you guys that my skin is very tan, and I promise this shade matches my actual skin tone. I know I'm going to get a lot of comments saying that my shade is too dark for me, but it's actually not. The lighting makes it seem like it's really dark, but I promise it matches it in person. So then I'm going in with my favorite Shape Tape concealer. This is a holy grail product. I love it. And if you don't have your hands on this yet, I totally recommend it. So then once I do that, I'm moving on to my eyebrows. I always prime my eyebrows with the Benefit primer. And then I'm going in with my Anastasia gel, and I sped this up so you guys can watch how I do my eyebrows, but it is a process. So I normally darken the tail of my eyebrow and leave the front of it kind of messier so that it looks more natural. Then I'm using my concealer again and outlining my brows. This is a great trick to making your brows look amazing. And then I'm using my Dior eyebrow styler just to fill in the rest of my eyebrows. It's a great universal brow product. And then I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder as well as the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is amazing. Then I'm using my Becca blush in Songbird and applying that to my cheeks, as well as the Cover FX Moonlight drops. These are absolutely incredible. If you get one thing from this video, please get these drops. They like change the game. And then I'm using my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter over the top of that to make my skin even more glowy, then going in with Fireside again to line my bottom lashes, and topping that off with the Makeup Forever mascara, as well as the NYX Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I'm using a Becca lip gloss on top of that. This is the finished look, and I hope you guys like it.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Again, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, you can click the subscribe button down below and turn on bell notifications. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter to stay updated with my everyday life. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys!